Welcome back, foodies! Today we are embarking on a new culinary adventure boarding a premium train that is from Delhi to Calcutta by Duronto. But there's a twist due to the unfortunate circumstances. Our journey has been delayed by a whooping 28 hours, forcing us to spend 2 whole days on the train. Let us see how the food holds up. So here's I'm getting the dinner as I boarded the train. So it's some dal with like three parathas, a little bit of like roti and paratha mixture. So it's not fully paratha or not fully roti. And I have um, dahi. The dahi is of like a good quality, and it's some sort of like three roti. It's very much stick together. What is the other thing that I'm having in my plate? Other than the rice, well, as I let you see, the consistency of the dal is quite good. Taste is moderately better. Jumping onto the another like cutlery, then I'm being able to see it's some very small amount of vegetables. So mainly it's comprising of peas, carrots, some beans, and as you can see the roti is very stick with each other. It is like the roti quality is not good at all, but the vegetable taste is quite good as I can check. Well, on the extreme left, where I'm having is the chicken. If you're going for the vegetable dish, then it'll be served with paneer. Well, I'm having some around 5 pieces of chicken, all like boneless, and the watery nature, but the taste is way better than any sort of like my restaurants or any other trends. But I would be saying that it's like as for the premium brand, it's very good. The curd is also having good consistency. After all that, in the sweet, we're having vanilla ice cream, and you can end up with this. In the morning, jumping up to the like the breakfast, what you're having the fruity, some bread with butter, and a fluffy omelette with some boiled vegetables in it, and obviously hot coffee, or you're gonna be like choosing to my tea. After that, as the day passed and we're like starving, we're being served with some khichri. It is the only meal that is possible in the running train to be prepared. And now, because of the late, the food is being coming, which is not scheduled. Late in the evening, like we're being served with some snacks and some cake, tea, some little bit of puffed rice, and in the night it is only rice and dal with an achar. So this is what is the quality. The dal is like fully watered, and like there is no sort of dal present in there, and the rice is like the moderate what we had in the normal time. While this is a return journey, when I'll be coming back from Calcutta. So, as far as the lunch, at the lunchtime, we're being served with like the dal, which is little bit of watery, not like what I had received in the earlier time. And if talking about the vegetable, that is we used to get it in small cutlery, is like same as what I have received in the up train. Well, now in this time, the roti is a little bit moderately better than that of the previous one. Previous one was very sticky, and we are not sure when it was being prepared, but this one is warm as well as like not sticking to each other. Other than that, if I'm like going to the chicken, then it's only like 2 pieces, not like the up train. It is like two chicken with bones, and the rice qualities are same with some pickles. That's it.